Good morning, my name is Darren. It is January 17th, 2019, and I'm going to touch a little bit on tissues. First of all, we have the epithelial tissue, which is found in the lining of organs, i.e. the skin, airway, digestive, and urinary and reproductive tracts. It is, in the beginning, they're derived from embryonic layers. The ectoderm helped create the mouth, nose, and anus. Endoderm helped create the airway and digestive tracts. The mesoderm helped create the lymphatic and cardiovascular regions or cells. Yeah. Their function dependent on their location, but their basic function is they are the first line of protection. They keep the inside in, the outside out. They are the gatekeepers. They control the permeability. They are permeable, and they secrete and release mucus and chemical compounds to aid in protection and permeability. There are three basics. Squamous, which is flat and thin, egg-like. We have cuboidal, which is boxy, square, with a nucleus directly in the center. And we have columnar, which is rectangular, which means that it's taller and wide. Simple is a single layer of cell, and stratified is multiple layers within the cell. There's multiple layers of cells. Next, we have connective tissue. Connective tissue is tissue that supports, binds, tissue that connects, supports, and binds other tissues together. Most of that is from the mesoderm layer of the embryonic cell, which creates the mesentery, stem cell, which all connective tissue is derived from. Within that, we have loose connective, broken down further, that is, has adipose, areolar, and reticular. And then we have dense connective, which is regular elastic and irregular elastic. Next, we have supportive connective tissue, which includes the cartilage, and within the cartilage, we have hyaline, fibrocartilage, and elastic. Next, we have bone. Yes, bone is a connective tissue. And we have calculus and compact. Next, we have fluid connective tissue. Yes, we have fluid. Our body fluids are connective tissue, and it's blood or lymphatic. Next, we have muscle tissue or myocyte. We have three types. We have skeletal, cardio, and smooth. Skeletal is a voluntary muscle. It allows for movement. Cardiac is a specialized muscle cell. It is a cardiomyocyte. It is also excitable, but it is involuntary, which means we cannot control it. Next is smooth, which is an involuntary muscle, and we have no control over it. And it is, Last is our nervous tissue. It is excitable and capable of sending and receiving electrochemical signals. It has two main classes of cells, neuron and neuroglia. It has three main parts. It has a cell body, dendrite, and an axon. An axon is like a long tail. They are bipolar. Or it is multipolar, bipolar, uniform. Multipolar means it has several dendrites. Bipolar means single dendrite, single axon. Unipolar means it has a single process that extends and divides into a dendrite and an axon. And that's my thing. Hope it wasn't too confusing.